Breaking news from here in Paris. That is that Vinesh Phogat is about to leave Paris tonight, Paris time 10:25 p.m. From the Charles de Gaulle airport, and will reach early morning tomorrow around 10 a.m. in the Delhi airport. But do you think she will receive a grand reception back?
Absolutely. I think Bajrang Punia has put out a complete chart of where Vinesh will be visiting. But what I found interesting was Vinesh's Instagram post. She has written four odd pages. And when you go through that, of course, you can understand that she's completely heartbroken. But also, it's an open-ended letter. So there's a chance of her making a comeback.
Yes, she has made mentioned about 2032. So it's a positive note that because after that incident, she has on social media only she has announced retirement. But now today in a social media again, she has brought the world to a positive side, I would say, because she might not be leaving the sport, which is quite something that every fans would want, because
Absolutely.
we don't know if wrestling will be there in LA or not.
Correct. I think wrestling, boxing, both might be there, might not be there in LA. But what's good is, as I said, you know what? It was a decision taken out of heartbreak to retire. And understandable, because again, to repeat, we were continuously hearing that this is what she's living for, and then the disqualification, whatever happened, understandably she took a decision in haste, probably. Hindsight, she must have felt that she still has wrestling left in her. We know one thing for sure: Vinesh Phogat still has a lot of fight left in her. She has showed that in every single step. Rohan, she is going back to India. What do you think? How do you think the whole thing will turn out? How do you think the whole welcome would be?
Yes, I hope and I know that it will happen, that she will receive a grand reception. Lot of people will be there to cheer for her, and I hope that she overcomes this tough phase and gets back to playing quite soon and prepares for the upcoming tournaments. We have Asian Games also in Japan, and then we have to wait for the decision for LA. But yes, there are multiple other tournaments. We have Asian Games, we have the World Championships, and we hope that Vinesh comes back to sport. She is in good shape. She has a lot of wrestling left in her. We have seen how she has done here in Paris. Unfortunate enough that she has not finished with the medal for that unfortunate event. But yes, as the news, she leaves Paris tonight, reaches India tomorrow morning. Hope she receives the grand reception. Final thoughts? How do you see the road ahead?
Absolutely. First of all, let me tell you, both Sakshi Malik, Bajrang Punia, all of them will be there, and of course Rep Sports will be there.
Gargi will.
I think Gargi will be there to cover this. All I can say is, as I said, I think that should have been my finishing line. That Vinesh has a lot of fight left in her. So I'm just hoping that mentally she's in that space. I think the best thing for her would be to take a little break, maybe take time out, spend some time with family, and then get back to the akhara again, as it's known as. And I'm sure her family would be eagerly waiting for her. I think as an Indian sports fan, honestly, I would love to see Vinesh back in the ring.
Absolutely. So that's all for now. We were here in Paris chasing the story, and we hope Vinesh a safe journey back. She reaches there on a positive note, and
if you guys can give her a hero's welcome, go to the airport, meet her, and give her a hero's welcome, because this woman has fought against all odds, and whatever you think in social media, put that aside. Think of the woman, think of the fight, think of the inspiration, and just go give her a hero's welcome. She deserves it.
That's all for now. Thank you so much.